Today we are going to discuss Leetcode problem 48, which is rotate image. Suppose you are given an n into n 2D matrix representing an image. Rotate the image by 90 degrees clockwise. You have to rotate the image in place, which means you have to modify the input 2D matrix directly. Do not allocate another 2D matrix and do the rotation. So for example, in example 1, we have this matrix. We need to rotate the matrix in a clockwise direction 90 degrees. So after rotating, it will become like this on the right hand side. So similarly in example 2, we need to rotate the image, rotate the matrix clockwise and by 90 degrees. So let's focus on this example. So if you see example 1, we have the 3 rows and 3 columns. First row is 1, 2, 3, second row is 4, 5, 6, third row is 7, 8, 9. So in the resulting matrix, if you see the first column, which is 1, 4, 7, it is reversed. So it will become 7, 4, 1, and 7, 4, 1 is the first row of the output. In the similar fashion, the column 2, 5, 8, when it is reversed, it will become 8, 5, 2, and 852 is the second row of the matrix output matrix. And in the similar fashion for the third column 369, we will reverse it, which will become 963. So here you can see 963, right? So the idea is to basically get the columns, reverse it, and place it in the row. So let's code it up. Number of rows is equals to length of matrix. Number of columns we have this way. Let's have a result empty list. Now let's iterate over the matrix. So let's first iterate over the columns. So for column 1, we will have this empty list. Now p dot append, p dot append the matrix R and C. So this will basically, in the T we will have the column information, which is 147. Now we need to reverse the T, so it will become like this. Okay. Now we can append this column in our result list like this. So now let's iterate over the matrix again. For C in range rows, for R in range rows, for C in range columns. So basically matrix of RC, we will take the value from result of R and C. So let's run the code. So as you can see that all the test cases are passed. Let's submit the code. So submission is successful. Our code is accepted. So this is our code, few lines of code. First we are getting rows and columns, then we are basically capturing the row information and reversing it, and then storing it in the result list. And from that we are taking the information into matrix. The time complexity of this algorithm is order of n because we are iterating over the elements only once. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.